Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to full screen in AnyDesk. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to www.anydesk.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like something like this, and you just need to go and of course download the application. After that, of course, this is a free license, non-professional use. You can start your trial license or buy the actual application. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the news, favorites, recent sessions, discovered, invitations. And in the top right corner, we have, of course, your settings, set password, and a lot of different things, and your address here, where how you can go, of course, invite somebody to your PC. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go full screen in AnyDesk. So it is pretty simple, guys. You just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you to know how to do it. So basically, this screen where I am at the moment is the full screen. How I have done it, of course, go in the top right corner, and this is how it looks when it is not full screen. So basically, you can see that we have some sections of my desktop here and down here. All you need to do, guys, is go and, of course, click to the top right corner of the AnyDesk screen. You have this box here. Click on the box, and you'll have it full screen. If you want it to not be full screen again, you can again click on here, and it will not be, and that's how you can of course go and change it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.